Most people think Google Forms is only for surveys, but with the right setup, you can turn it into a simple online store where customers choose products, select their quantities, and pay online. In this video, I'll show you 5 Google Forms hacks that transform a basic form into a working checkout flow. And by the end, you'll have a fully functional order form with payments. Let's start with the first step. Hack number 1: structure your form like a store. The first trick is organizing your form like a checkout process, not a survey. Instead of putting everything on one page, break your form into sections, like Section 1, Products, Section 2, Customer Information, Section 3, Delivery Details and Payment. You can add sections using the Add Section button. Just click on the question you want to follow with a new section and click the Add Section button in the floating Forms toolbar. This makes your form feel more like a real checkout experience and helps guide customers through the purchase flow step by step. Now that the structure is ready, let's add the products. Hack number 2: create product questions. Next, add questions for the products you want to sell. For example, sweater, travel mug, keychain. With a variety of question types to choose from, you can create options that represent the available product choices or variations. For example, small, medium, or large. You can also add product images beside questions to make them feel more like a storefront. Just click the image icon and upload a product photo. Now customers can clearly see what they're ordering, and your plain Google form is looking more like an e-commerce. But we still need a way for them to specify how many items they want. Hack number 3: add quantity selectors. To let customers order multiple items, add a quantity variant for the product. Here I've used a multiple choice grid to accommodate sizing and quantities. At this point, your Google form is already functioning like a basic order form. But there's another trick that makes it much easier to manage orders. Hack number 4: send orders to Google Sheets. Google Forms automatically stores responses, but connecting it to Google Sheets makes order tracking much easier. Just click Responses, Link to Sheets. Now every order appears in a spreadsheet where you can track customers, review orders, and manage your fulfillment process. Many people even use this sheet as their order management system, but there's still one major piece missing. Customers haven't actually paid yet. Let's fix that. Hack number 5: add payments to your Google form. Google Forms doesn't include payments by default, but you can add them using the Payable Forms add-on. Payable connects directly to your form and allows you to attach prices to specific responses. So when customers submit the form, they're taken to a secure checkout page that's added up their selections. The flow becomes customer selects products, submits the form, and completes payment. So instead of a simple survey, you now have a fully functioning and secure online order form with payments. And that's how you can turn Google Forms into a simple online store. If you want to see a complete step-by-step tutorial on adding payments to your Google form, check out the video on screen. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on selling online with simple tools like Google Forms and Payable. Thanks for watching.